Welcome back. Here is number 10 and 11. Number 10, find the equation of the line parallel to the line y, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and passing through 1, 4. Number 11, find the equation of the line parallel to the line y plus x equal to 0 and passing through 0, minus 4. Alright, you can stop the DVD, try these two examples, and then come for a review. Right, number 10. Find the equation. You are given this line here and you are told that the next line, let's call this line 1. Now line 2 is parallel. Therefore the gradient m is same or equal. But now when we look at this, it's not in standard form. So let's do step 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 is not in standard form. So you've got to bring it to standard form. So you will say, well, 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 6. 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 6. So y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. So that's the equation now in standard form. Y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. So that's standard form. Therefore now parallel lines have same gradient. So m is equal to minus 2 over 3. So we've done part 1. So m is, that's one requirement. Number 2, we want c. Now that's 1, 4. That is not coordinates of a y-intercept. It's just any ordered pair. So coordinates of y-intercept will always have 0 here. So this is not a y-intercept. So we have to calculate it. So to calculate c, we're going to take y is equal to mx plus c, and we're going to put m equal to negative 2/3, and we're going to put in here the ordered pair 1, 4, and this will now be x, that will now be y. So you want to calculate c, y is equal to mx plus c, that's your gradient, and that's the ordered pair through which it is passing. So what is y? Y is 4. So you'll say 4 is equal to m. M is minus 2/3, minus 2/3 into x. X is 1 plus c. You are trying to solve for c. So 4 is equal to minus 2/3 plus c. Use your calculator. So c is equal to 4 plus 2/3. C is equal to 4 and 2/3. You have found c. Now step 3. In y is equal to mx plus c, put m and c. So y is equal to m is minus 2/3 x, minus 2/3 x, plus c, which is 4 and 2/3. That brings us to the end of number 10. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Right. So let's go to number 11. So if you want, I will just, well, we'll just write this for you to know that it is step 1. We'll just write here, step 1, step 2, step 3. All right. Let's go to number 11. Once again, I think you've had enough time to have a look at this, and I can move to 11. Once again, the equation is not in standard form. So step 1, let's bring it to standard form. Y plus x is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus x. So now it's in standard form. and we can say that the gradient m is equal to -1. Now remember, the 1 is understood, so m is -1. Step 2, that 0, -4 is actually the coordinates of the y-intercept. If 0 is here, then that is the coordinates of the y-intercept. Therefore, the c is clearly -4. So it was very simple. That's your m, that's your c. And therefore, your equation will be y is equal to mx plus c. This is step 3. And you just substitute only m, which happens to be -1 x, plus c, which is -4. Now, y is equal to, I can write that 1 or I can leave it out. But suppose I leave it out now, I will just say -x. So that 1, I can write it or I can leave it. Now here, this plus and this minus, you consider it as it is being multiplied. Plus times -4, and the final answer will be minus. Plus times minus, consider it like that. So that's your final answer. Y is equal to -x minus 4. Don't leave it like that. If you leave it like that, it means you're not sure what is the final answer. But plus times minus will give you minus, and that's what it is. Alright, so that was number 10 and 11. We'll move on to more questions.